This video is for computer users who are back to school or work and would like to optimize their computer for work efficiency and do not want to spend any single amount of money. If you are interested, watch till the end and let's get started. Tip number 1. For fast boot up, disable programs which are not necessary and slowing down computer startup. Step 1. Right-click the taskbar. Step 2. Choose Task Manager. Step 3. Click Startup tab. Step 4. Scan programs you think you don't need in Startup. Note, if you are not familiar with the program, just don't mind it and proceed to the next program. Step 5. To disable a program, press right-click and choose Disable. Check the status if it is disabled. Step 6. Do the same procedure on programs chosen. Make sure to enable needed and important programs like what I have here on my screen. The less the better. Tip number 2. Uninstall bloatware and applications which are no longer in use, seldomly used or expired. Step 1. On Start menu, go to Settings. Step 2. Choose Apps. Step 3. Scan applications you think you no longer need. Bloatware are pre-installed applications like Oninet for Windows 10, Xbox apps and some games like Solitaire. Step 4. To uninstall an application, click the app and hit the uninstall button. Note, if you are not familiar with the application, just don't mind it and proceed to the next. Step 5. Do the same procedure on applications chosen. Tip number 3. Remove background applications. This tip is recommended if you only have 4 GB of RAM. Step 1. On Start menu, go to Settings. Step 2. Choose Privacy. Step 3. On the left side panel, go to Background Apps. Step 4. You could turn off all the background apps by ticking this button, best option who are using laptop to conserve power. Or you could manually turn off the background apps you think you don't need. Tip number 4. Set for best performance over best appearance. There is a saying, performance is better than appearance. Do you agree? Let me know on the comment section. To do this tip, follow my instruction. Step 1. On Start menu, type Advanced System Settings and click Open. Step 2. Under Performance, click Settings. Step 3. You could simply choose Adjust for Best Performance, which turn off all the animation feature of Windows 10 and gives you 100% guarantee of best performance. Or you could choose Custom, which you manually enable few features you want for appearance yet still set for better performance. Step 4. Click Apply and OK once you are done. Tip number 5. Delete temporary files. In this tip, you need to remember 2 keywords. Keyword 1 is temp and keyword 2 is %temp%. Step 1. Use keyboard shortcut Windows logo +R. Step 2. Type the keyword 1, which is the word temp. Then click OK. Wait until a file explorer opened. Step 3. Select all the files and delete. Step 4. If this dialog box appears, just check the box saying do this for all current items and click the skip button. Step 5. Wait until all selected files have been deleted. Step 6. Finally, close the File Explorer. Step 8. Repeat the procedure using keyword 2 instead of keyword 1. Tip number 6. File organization. We have our own way how to organize our files. But let me give you some tips that could help you. Step 1. Seri. This Japanese word means sort. Sort files which you need and not what files to keep or delete. Step 2. Categorize the remaining files based on your lifestyle. As shown on my screen, this is just an example and different from yours. But I hope you get the idea. Step 3. Backup and sync your files in the cloud. No matter how large your storage capacity is, over time, it will be filled with tons of files. And it can cause drastic poor performance of the computer. To avoid this, you need a cloud server. Cloud is an online storage which acts as an extension of your computer storage. There are many platforms you could choose from. But the idea here is, if you want to free up some storage space from your computer and making sure you still have all the files safe and secured, just upload it on cloud, and it will be there forever, and access it whenever you want. As long as you are connected to the internet. If you are a public teacher under DepEd, did you know that you are entitled with unlimited storage in Google Drive using your DepEd email, and that is for free? Yes, you heard it right. Free unlimited storage that you must take advantage right now. Step 4. Create subfolders on each category. You find your way creating more subfolders for each category down to the specific file. Step 5. Set specific file name with keywords easy to search whenever you forgot where you save it. Step 6. This step is optional. Pin folder or files on quick access. This is recommended for a file or folder which is too deep and needed to open so many subfolders before you reach that certain file or folder. It is like a shortcut to your favorite files or folders. Tip number 7. Defragment. Optimize your storage device. This step works best for who are using HDD. Step 1. On Start menu. Type File Explorer, then open it. Step 2. On the left side panel, click this PC. Step 3. Right-click Local Disk C, then select Properties. Step 4. Go to Tools tab. Step 5. Under Optimize and Defragment Drive, click the Optimize button. Step 6. Wait until a dialog box opened. Choose Drive C and click the Optimize button. Step 7. Wait the process until the status became OK. Note that large files mean more time it needs to defrag. So, it is better to do this step when you have nothing to do with your computer. Step 8. If you have more than one drive or multiple partition, just repeat the procedure. Tip number 8. Reset PC. If you want to quick optimize and skip all the tips I mentioned before, Reset PC is like a one-click optimize button for you. Do you want to know how? Follow my steps. Step 1. On Start menu, type Reset this PC. Step 2. Click Get Started. Step 3. Choose from the two options. Choose Keep My Files if you still have important files you don't want to be deleted after reset. Otherwise, if you like a fresh start like the way you opened it the first time you bought it, choose Remove Everything. Note that either of the two options chosen, all settings set to default and remove all installed applications of the users. Please do this tip with caution. I hope these tips would help you optimize your computer for maximum efficiency. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon on the next tutorial.